Hi, this is Steve from Minnesota. We're going to be using some HinderRUST HV100 ASC series, and we're going to use this. We've shaken the can and we're going to put it on this slightly corroded scissor jack from our travel trailer. We traveled down almost 1,700 miles across country and noticeably picked up some road corrosion. So we're going to apply this, and on our trip back we're going to keep track of how this wonderful product does. So here we go. Notice how it foams up. It penetrates very well. We're going to coat that. We're going to put the end bolts on. We're going to do a little bit on the threaded rod here for the jack. And on the surfaces around, we're also going to coat that and protect those from the corrosion when we return, even on the base. I'll get the back side a little bit later, but just to show you how that product works, you can see how it penetrates and coats very well. So we'll follow up with a video here in a few weeks and share that with everybody and see how it goes. So thank you very much for watching and listening.